Please subscribe, like, and share.
Certain individual in Ghana want to kill some people in this nation for his vision to be accomplished. And the people that this person wants to kill, God has mentioned all their names to me. I'm going to give the details on Sunday.
Ex-president.
That person is an ex-president. He is the one who wants to embark on such an assignment.
And
there's going to be a warning to these people to become careful.
And 2020,
or else we are going to hear of the demise of these people. The life of these people are not going to be taken because of a sickness, or it's not going to be the Lord who's going to call them to glory, but it's an ex-president.
The
Lord spoke to me and he instructed me to declare it. The Lord has instructed me before to declare this thing.
But
some people did not take me serious.
But I am pay and I'm penny for one. Sani purpose or you munka free horn back on a frame your phone so no pay and or confirm me as a minipa. What can say baby? What can be our man FM? Say ex-president be say okum crofobia. Our bomb can one or pay ya. Many confirmation.
So it was one of the people by whom the prophecy came who called me this morning, and he told me that, prophet, do you remember you said it at Oman FM that the ex-president is in a quest to kill some people, and I was part of those people. You told me. It was this morning that I received a confirmation.
Meaning say same way, including some men of God.
I know with this prophecy that I'm giving, some people who do not have spiritual understanding, even some so-called men of God, are going to lambast me, but it is the Lord who has instructed me to declare it. And so far as it is God who has instructed me to declare this prophecy, anybody who talks against this prophecy or talk against me, the curses of God will come upon the person. So may these people become careful. In Kumasi Chairman to me, they want to annihilate him. They conspire and hire some people to kill him.
Ex-president, ex-president.
And it's an ex-president who wants to do this.
Because ambition, vision, accomplished.
Because he knows that this person is a hindrance to his mission.
Honorable Kennedy Japan also very careful.
And Honorable Kennedy Japan should also become careful.
Abronya also very careful.
Abronya should also become careful.
And Owusu Bempa also very careful.
And Owusu Bempa should also be careful.
Apostle Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempa also very careful.
Apostle Dr. Isaac Owusu Bempa should be careful.
Obi wakitia sankro forward spiritually and physically.
Someone is working against these people spiritually and physically
to take their lives.
To take their lives from
but
them.
It will never work.
But it will never work.
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 And see that
he can never succeed. He can never succeed.
Only Kunimda.
I'm
speaking as a prophet of God. Maybe you might insult me. Maybe you might speak against me. But the unction of the Lord is upon me.
And I've seen it.
And I've seen it. And the Lord said, I should warn these people.
Ante saa next year 2020.
In next year
Sɛ
2020,
saa nkurɔfoɔ wei anyɛ careful.
if these people are not careful,
Obi bɛyi wɔn mu nkwa afiri ateasefoɔ
someone will
asase.
take their life away
But then
from the land
yɛ
of the
yie.
living.